Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I couldn't figure out what video to do for you guys, and I was about to put on these earrings right here. Oh my goodness, can you see them? Look! And they made me think of Princess Jasmine, and when I thought of Princess Jasmine, I automatically thought of Charisma Star TV, who is, Karis is just magical. She has just been the biggest blessing and encouragement over the internet. All I have to do is turn on one of her any videos. It doesn't have to be makeup, it can just be anything. And I'm automatically uplifted and amazing. So if you are not subscribed to Karis, girl, what are you doing? Subscribe to her, subscribe here, and let's get started. Okay, oh, I didn't even tell what we're doing. We are going to be doing, this is her Disney Princess Glam series, and this is Princess Jasmine, and I'm so excited. So let me start the video. You guys are gonna go along with me as I follow Karis's tutorial. Let's get going. Here we go. Okay, so she's putting on moisturizer. Okay, I can't use that Jergens moisturizer because I have super oily skin that would just come back to bite me. I didn't even tell you what I was using. I am using Glam Glow's Volcasmic Moisturizer, their Matte Glow Moisturizer. That is amazing. Helps keep my makeup on all day long and make it look like I have no pores. She's using Urban Decay's priming potion in Eden, I think that is. I don't have that one, but I am going to be using concealer. This is ColourPop's. The main thing that you want is a really good sticky base, a sticky neutral base. Okay, so she's using the Christian Leanne palette and the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I don't have either one of those, but I do have this Morphe palette. I'll put what it is, but it already has all the colors already in it, so I can't buy that one and have the same colors here. But it has pretty much the same thing in it. She's starting off with a blue shadow on her lid. I love that Karis does her lids first. I tend to go more neutral with my eyeshadow and stuff lately, so I always start off with the crease, but it's super cool to do it. It's actually almost the same color. I'm excited about that. Okay, so next up she's using a deep purple in her crease. I'm gonna go in with probably this guy or a combination of the two. Okay, so now she's using an iridescent blue. I'm gonna be using my Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna use this color right here. Here we go. She packs it on with just a little small brush to make it a little bit more iridescent, especially right in the middle of the lid. Okay. I like it. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Girl, this seriously, like, as I'm telling all this stuff, it seriously makes me think of Mean Girls at the beginning, where it's like, Regina George wears camo pants and flip-flops, so I wear camo pants and flip-flops. I think this is kind of close to Amethyst right here. And I'm gonna blend that over the top of my purple. So I think I'm gonna do this one right here and these three. Yeah, because she's doing it, definitely those three together. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. My eye space is a little bit smaller than hers, so I shouldn't have gone up so high, but I'm still loving it, definitely. Okay, so she's highlighting her brow bone with Desert Sand. I don't have that color, so I'm going to use Eclipse by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is completely backwards from what I usually do, and I love this challenge because it kind of opens your mind up to trying a new way of doing things. I always do my eyebrows first and then do my eyes. This way is completely different. Okay, so she is using the Moon Dust palette, which I finally have one of them. She's using Light Year and Vega right on top of that blue on the eyelid. So that's what I'm gonna do. I love every single thing about this look. I love that it's bright, but it still has depth to it. And all the colors just blend together beautifully. Okay, I am not a fan of tight lining. I'm not gonna do the tight lining. I'm sorry, y'all. Hopefully that does not negate this whole look, but I can't tight line. I hate that feeling. Like, it's the worst feeling in the world. But I am gonna go underneath do the bottom liner. I don't have that gold liner she's using, but I do have, this is Revlon's Photo Ready Eye Art. Here we go. I am gonna use that gold to make just a thin gold line on top of my eyes. Okay, definitely I'm loving that. And I was seriously just thinking that the blue would look even better. Like, it looks like Arabian Nights and mysterious and everything, but I was just thinking the blue would look even better on the lid with like an aquamarine glitter, and she just said the same exact thing. So I am using, this is Rio by NBA Cosmetics. And what I'm gonna apply it with as like a sticky base is their Glitter Foil Line FX. I don't know if y'all can see it from back here, but you definitely see it now. Oof! I hate fallout. It is just one of the things that comes along with it. Here we go. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Definitely back at it. Okay, so time for liquid liner. My favorite. I am going to be using, I don't even know, I think this is British Cosmetics, the label rubbed off. I got it here in Sri Lanka, and it is amazing. Okay, got one down, one to go. Using the Troublemaker mascara. I don't have that one, but I am using the Better Than mascara by Too Faced. For the falsies, I'm using some that I found online. I got these right here. You're about to see them when they go on. And I found this lash glue at Daiso in Singapore. Okay, so lashes are on and I am feeling so fierce. Okay, now she's putting on foundation, and her foundation, I don't have either one of those, but she's mixing too, so I'm mixing too. I have the Fresh Nude Body Shop foundation as well as Shinty Doll by Lancome. Okay, so she's using the Urban Decay concealer, and I don't have that one, so I'm using the ColourPop concealer. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be using, this is Half Hearted by Makeup Geek. For my blush, this is Chivalry by Makeup Geek also. Then our blush right on top of that. I think I'm gonna Lyra by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, and for that she does it in with her fingers. Okay, this is looking really, really good. Go, Karis. This is Dewdrop by ColourPop, which is pretty much the same thing. It's just an all-over loose shimmer. For my nose contour, I always like it subtle whenever I do it. Okay, and then, okay, there we go. Got it across and down. And I'm using that all over highlight to go down the bridge of my nose. I usually use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia, but today I am going to use this eyebrow pencil I picked up also at Daiso in Singapore. It was $1. Now it's time for lip liner. She has one by Makeup Forever. I don't have that one. So I'm going to be using, this is Double Wear by Estee Lauder in Rose. And I'm gonna mix that in with a little bit of the Suede Matte Lip Liner by NYX. And this is in the shade Club Hopper. Woo woo. Okay, and then she goes over that with her Lipland. I think it's a liquid lipstick or a lip cream. I don't have that one either, so I'm using, that's like the theme of this video. I ain't got it. I ain't got none of it. Okay, so I am using NYX Liquid Lip Suede in Soft Spoken. And hers came out just a little bit darker, so what I'm gonna do is use a little bit more of that Club Hopper mixed in with it. Okay. And she tops it all off with a gloss that I don't have, but I am going to use, this is by Pure Cosmetics. This is Queen of Hearts. I love it. Okay, and she adds some highlighter on top of it. I'm going to use that Eclipse that was by Anastasia Beverly Hills, right in the middle. That's it for my Glam Princess Jasmine that was created by Charisma Star TV's very own Karis Lincoln. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I did not mess it up too horribly. If you have not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. I try my best to post as often as possible, which is usually 3 times a week and sometimes less. And if you have not subscribed to Karis's channel, make sure to do that also because she's simply the best. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. I think I did okay, but I haven't looked at a mirror yet. Oh, it does look like Jasmine.